Are you making good progress on the Q3 budget review?
Yes, I am. I finished the initial spending analysis this morning.
Excellent. Can you clarify the deadline for the final draft submission?
You set the deadline for next Tuesday, correct?
That's right. What's the next key task on your schedule?
I need to draft the cost reduction recommendations chapter.
Keep me updated if you hit any roadblocks with the software.
Will do. I expect to send you a draft for review by the end of Monday.
Sounds like you're right on schedule.
Thank you. Everything is clear now.
Could we schedule a quick follow-up meeting about the vendor contracts?
Of course. Are you available sometime on Thursday morning?
Thursday at 10:30 a.m. works well for me.
Great. I will send out the formal meeting invitation right now.
Perfect. What key decision did we summarize in our last meeting?
We decided to pause production on the older model.
That's helpful. Should I prepare the manufacturing cost report for Thursday?
Yes, please. Bring those figures for us to discuss.
I'll make sure the agenda covers that point clearly.
Thanks for confirming. See you then.
Lovely. I need you to coordinate with marketing on the new brochure design.
Understood. Which specific goal should I focus on for this project?
We need it finalized by Friday so we can begin printing.
Okay. Could I request some support from Liam with the photo selection?
That sounds necessary. Make sure you delegate the images to him clearly.
I'll talk to him immediately to coordinate our file transfer.
Please let me know if you run into any communication issues.
Will do. How early on Friday is the absolute deadline?
We must have it submitted before noon.
Got it. I will update you tomorrow afternoon on the collaboration status.
Lovely. I wanted to recognize your fantastic contribution to the training session.
Thank you, Keanu. I was nervous about presenting.
You were very confident. Now, let me offer one piece of constructive feedback.
I appreciate that. What did you notice?
Try to slow down slightly when explaining complex ideas next time.
Ah, that makes sense. I sometimes speak too quickly under pressure.
Exactly. Overall, it was a very strong presentation.
I will definitely incorporate that feedback into my practice sessions.
Lovely. I'm having an unexpected challenge logging into the timesheet system today.
Oh no, what kind of error message are you seeing?
It says my password expired, but my usual one still works for email.
Have you tried using the forgot password link yet?
Yes, but the recovery email hasn't arrived. Do you know who handles system fixes?
You should report the issue immediately to our internal tech desk.
Can you help me find the extension for the tech desk support team?
Sure, I'll look it up for you right now in the directory.
That is very helpful. Thank you for guiding me.
No problem at all. Hopefully they can fix it quickly.
Lovely. Thanks for setting aside time to talk about your performance.
Thank you for the opportunity. I wanted to discuss my professional workload.
I'm happy to talk about that. How do you feel about your current assignments?
I love the complexity, but I think my overall workload is currently too heavy.
I understand. Which task do you feel we could potentially move to another team member?
If I could hand off the weekly data entry, that would free up 3 hours.
We can absolutely arrange that to better manage your time.
That would really help me focus on the major reports.
I'll put a plan together and follow up with you by tomorrow.
That's wonderful. Thank you for listening to my concerns.
Did you do anything fun over the holiday weekend, Lovely?
I finally went to see that new science fiction movie. It was amazing.
That sounds fun. Which one did you go see?
It was called Star Jumpers. The special effects were incredible.
I love sci-fi too. Do you have any plans for the coming weekend?
Yes, I'm volunteering at a food bank on Saturday morning.
That's very kind of you. What position are you taking?
I'll be helping to sort and pack the donations.
That's important work. Have a great time.
You too, Keanu.
Excuse me, Lovely. Would you mind helping me staple these presentation packets?
Not at all. I'd be happy to. Do you need these collated first?
Yes, please. I apologize for asking at the last minute.
It's no trouble at all. Also, is there anything else I can assist you with?
That's kind of you. Could I possibly borrow your tape dispenser quickly?
Certainly. Here you go. Please bring it back before lunch.
Thank you so much for your assistance. You saved me a lot of time.
Think nothing of it. We are a team.
I appreciate your willingness to help.
Have a productive day.
Welcome to the company, Lovely. I'm Keanu, the hiring manager.
It's nice to meet you, Keanu. I'm Lovely, the new editorial assistant.
Welcome aboard. Do you have any specific orientation questions so far?
Yes. Could you please show me the procedure for booking a meeting room?
Of course. You reserve rooms using the Outlook calendar system.
Thank you. And where is the best place to find printing supplies like toner?
The storage area is located down the hall, past the kitchen.
Got it. I am still learning where to locate resources here.
No problem. Just ask if you need help navigating the office.
I appreciate the guidance. I'm looking forward to getting settled in.